Today I'm making a grape pendant with some natural stone teardrop beads. I'm using some Labradorite beads, so they are slightly irregular shaped. I start with about 15 inches of 24 gauge wire. I just bent the end of the wire a little bit over so that the beads don't slip off after I add them. I'm adding 21 of these slightly irregular Labradorite teardrop shaped beads. Some of them you can maybe see the holes didn't fit or they were broken, so a few of them didn't make it onto my grapevine here. But after adding 21 of them, then you also should bend over the other end of the little wire so that they don't fall off as you're working. We've got much more wire than we need, so we're gonna get rid of those little bends eventually and make new ones. So then take the seventh bead from either side, it doesn't matter, it's all the same, and twist around it a couple of times just to make the lowest grape in the bunch. Then overlap the longer side to the shorter side of beads, and you will twist the beads around each other, and then you will twist up the remaining wire for about 1.5 inches. And you can always reposition the beads in the grape part if you're not happy with how they looked. Once you've twisted up the wire the 1.5 inches, you will start just a basic wire wrapped loop. So get your round nose pliers, make a question mark shape, and then wrap the ends of the wire around the part between the pliers and the top of the grapes. And if you don't have all of this wire twisted together, that's fine, because we want to have it go in separate directions, so it's not going to want to be twisted all the way. Then I'm adding a leaf. It's not a grape leaf, but it looked to me a good color and size for this particular bunch of grapes. So I cut off the end of the wire, slide the leaf down toward the grapes, and then just twist around that a few times. And then we're going to make the little tendrils that grapevines have. So I'm trimming the remaining wire to about 4 inches, I think, and then again just pinching down the little ends. And then this is a part I do very quickly, and you may not realize what I'm doing. I've done this so many times, but take the little bent end and grab it with your round nose pliers, and then you will just do like half twists where you're grabbing the wire and then releasing the wire and coiling it around the round nose pliers, and you're working the end of the wire up so that you can keep these a pretty consistent shape. If you work it down, it will want to get larger and larger as it reaches toward the bottom of the pliers. So after I've got my little tendrils coiled up, then I just spread them out a little bit, and then this grape is going to be done. I'll hang it off the pliers so you can get a good view of it. I prefer, I think, the glass beads just because they're much more uniform in size and consistent, but I think this looks okay. What do you think?